In this video, we are going to see that if we want to stop the Google Chrome notifications, here's what you can do. So let's suppose that you get notifications about news, about any kind of updates, about celebrity news, sports news, whatever, and you are just annoyed by it and you just want to disable or stop this. Here's what you can do. Just click on these three dots and just go to the settings at the bottom. And from here, just access privacy and security on the left hand side. Once we click on that, at the bottom, we see this site settings. Just click on that and just scroll all the way down to the permission section where it says notifications. So here we can just don't allow sites to send notifications altogether, or we can collapse unwanted requests. This is recommended. This is enabled by default. And also you can just set or add not allowed to send notifications or site added to allowed to send notifications. As you can see, these are all allowed. But if we, let's say, want to add anything here, let's say this particular website, I can just add it like this. Click on add, and now this website is not allowed to send notifications. Also, if you want to just remove or block from that, it will automatically be added to the top. So instead of just manually copying it, what you can do is just click on this three dots and click on block, and now it will be sent to not allowed. Also, if you turn this not allowed option on, then no matter if it is allowed to send notifications here. So don't allow these sites to send notifications, just turn this off completely and you will not get notified about any sites updates. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.